Hello everybody, I'm Simon and welcome to the third tutorial from my Math Tutes. In the previous tutorial, we learned to use roster and set builder notation to represent countable and uncountable number sets. In this tutorial, which consists of two parts, we will learn to represent uncountable number sets using another form of notation called interval notation. The specific learning objectives are as follows. 1. To understand what an interval is. 2. To distinguish between bounded, half-bounded and unbounded intervals. And 3. To use interval notation to represent all types of bounded, half-bounded and unbounded intervals. Now that the learning objectives for this tutorial are in place, let's get going. Please click on the next video for part 1, interval notation with a focus on bounded intervals.